Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best automatic coffee machine for office you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many automatic coffee machine for office and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each automatic coffee machine for office so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an automatic coffee machine for the office. First, think about the machine's capacity because it must handle the number of employees using it daily. Next, consider ease of operation since a simple interface saves time and avoids confusion among staff. Also, check the maintenance requirements because easy cleaning and descaling reduce downtime and extend machine life. The type of coffee it brews matters too. Choose one that matches your team's taste preferences, whether espresso, cappuccino, or regular coffee. Additionally, look for durability and warranty support as office machines are used heavily. Finally, energy efficiency is important to control electricity costs over time. Selecting the right balance of these factors ensures constant quality and convenience for everyone at work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.